Welcome back to Maths World. In this video, we learn multiplication. Here we have two numbers to multiply with one number. These all are very easy questions. Let's get started. Here we have 3. 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6. 3 2 ja is 6. Now 3 1 ja 3. Now 5 0 is 0. When we multiply any number with 0, we'll get 0 always. Now 5 2s are 10. We don't have more numbers. Only 2 is the last digit. That's why we completely write 10 here. If we have more number, like if we have 120, means more number in front of 2, then we have to take carry here. But in this question, we have only 2. So no need to give carry to other number. Now 4 8s are, or we can multiply 8 4s are. 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. 32 is a 2-digit number, so 2 here and this number as a carry here. Now 4 1s are, because 3 is our carry, we'll multiply up to only 4 1s are. 4 1s are is 4 and we have to add carry. 4 3 is 7. So our answer is 72 now. Now in this question, 8 3s are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24. 4 here, 2 as a carry. We can also multiply 3 up to 8, but it will take more time. 8 6 are 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32, 8 5s are 40, 8 6 are 48. 8 6 are 48, and we have to add carry. 8 to 10, 4 1 5. Complete 50 here. Now 6 2s is 12. 2 here, 1 as a carry. Again 6 2s is 12, and now we have to add 1, 3, 13. 2 3s is 6, 2 2s is 4. First we have to multiply this number with last number and then this number with other number. 7 3s is 21. 21. 7 4s is 28, and we have to add carry. 28, 29, 30. Now 3 5s are or 5 3s are. 5 3s is 15. 1 5 15. 3 3s are 9. 9 1 10. हमें क्या करना है, हमें पहले 3 को 2 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है और जो आंसर आएगा उसे लिखना है, और फिर 3 को 1 के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करना है. अगर हमारा ऊपर वाला नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करके हमारे 2 डिजिट आंसर आता है तो हमें क्या करना है, जो हमें कैरी देनी पड़ती है, अदरवाइज हमें कैरी देने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आई होप you will understand the concept.